Let's go over the ingredients. What you're going to need is 2 cups of sifted self-raising flour, 3 eggs, juice and zest of 2 lemons. We're going to use this gorgeous lemon yogurt. We're going to need about 280 grams of that, half a cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of caster sugar. Set your mixing bowl up with a whisk. Okay, in with your eggs and your sugar. Now we want to whisk this on high for about 4 minutes until it's nice, light and fluffy. Okay, that's about 4 minutes now, it's nice and fluffy. I'm going to add my lemon zest and my lemon juice. We want to whisk this now for about another minute. And then we're going to add our sifted flour. Just put half in to start with, and then with a balloon whisk, or you could use a spatula, it's up to you. I like to sort of aerate the flour through because I don't want to knock all that air out. I want to be able to sieve it through, and I think the whisk does a great job. In with the second half of the flour. Now I want to give it a gentle stir around. Now over the back here I've got my bar trays. Okay, so I've sprayed this, lightly sprayed it, and the best way to get the filling into here, the most quickest and easiest way that I found, is to fill up a piping bag, and that's what I've got here. I'm going to fold the piping bag with no nozzle, it's just a straight piping bag, no nozzle. We're just going to fold the piping bag over, like that, and we're going to open this out. We're going to pop it into the jug, fold it, I don't know if you can see, so there you go, it's folded right over. Now all I'm going to do is pick up the piping bag, and you'll see that it's nice and easy to just put through here. Here we go. Just fill these up. Just whack them onto a baking tray so they're nice and flat. Into the oven, 165 degrees Celsius for around about 15 to 20 minutes. Coming out of the oven, they look absolutely beautiful. They smell delicious. Now it's time to get these little love hearts in there. Let's get those in, cook those for the same amount of time. Okay, so the lemon cakes have come out now and they're on the cooling wire, and we're going to let them cool down completely. And I've also made some little heart-shaped ones as well. Now to finish this recipe off, we're going to need to make some icing. We need 3 cups of icing sugar. We're going to go 1/3 of a cup of soft butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, and we're going to use the zest of 1 lemon. I'm going to combine it all together. Just put your eye. So I'm going to toast some coconut. I've got a little pan on here. I'm going to use just I've shredded up some organic coconut. Just pop it onto a plate because it will continue browning in that hot pan and you don't want to burn it. Okay, it's time to slice a little piece of this through there. Really nice and soft lemon flavours coming through there. Is absolutely delicious. It's nice and moist. That icing, that lemon icing on the top is just really, really nice. It goes really good with the coconut as well. You can change it up a bit. You can put some fresh lime zest on there or lemon zest, but it's a really lemony afternoon tea cake that you can take anywhere for your friends. Thanks for watching my channel, everyone. The recipe is in the description if you would like to make this delicious cake. Until my next recipe, have yourselves a great week. Take care.